This is my GPT Wars price prediction, a deep dive into what could make Gptw a GameFi leader and 100x. With its token launch set for January the 23rd, 2025, the stage is set for a mix of blockchain, AI and gaming. But what's the potential for Gptw's price? Let's break it all down. GPT Wars is unique in the GameFi space, combining a AAA FPS shooter with the innovation of autonomous AI players or AIP. Built on the base blockchain for low fees and fast transactions, the project is already generating buzz in pre-alpha. Gameplay backed by Unreal Engine lets players earn real rewards while exploring cyberpunk-inspired battlefields. With these features, GPT Wars stands out, but how does that translate into price potential? With a total supply of 1 billion Gptw tokens, the project focuses on long-term sustainability. A deflationary model burns a portion of in-game revenue, creating scarcity over time. This is a strong selling point, especially compared to other tokens in the space that rely solely on speculation. Players can stake Gptw for passive income, use it to unlock exclusive content, or trade it for in-game assets. What really sets GPT Wars apart is its strong backing. The project is incubated by Carbon Browser and Maven Capital and supported by notable investors like CBS Capital, Titans Venture, and Kinetic Collective. Partnerships with big names such as Ape Arcade and Superverse add even more credibility. These connections could help Gptw gain traction on major exchanges and drive adoption. However, as we've seen with similar projects, strong partnerships are great, but execution is what matters the most. So let's talk about some price scenarios. We have a best case, worst case, and a likely outcome. Let's start with a worst case scenario. If adoption doesn't meet expectations or players lose interest, Gptw token could struggle to maintain value. High early investor sell-offs could also create downward pressure on the price. However, they have mechanisms in place in order to make sure that early sell-offs don't happen. So for the likely scenario, like many tokens, Gptw might face initial volatility, with prices dipping after launch before stabilizing as gameplay features roll out and demand increases. This trajectory is common for new projects that offer long-term value. So for the best case scenario, with a successful token launch and early adoptions by gamers and investors, Gptw could see a sharp rise, similar to tokens like Axie Infinity during its peak. Listing on major exchanges and growing NFT demand could push the token into a strong upward trend. This is the scenario that I personally hope to see play out, and it is the scenario where we will be able to make the most amount of money riding the upward trend, especially during major exchange listings. Okay, so let's compare to some similar tokens. Looking at other GameFi tokens such as Illuvium or Gala, GPT Wars appears to be taking a more innovative approach by combining AI-driven gameplay with blockchain mechanics. Gala's early success was tied to strong community engagement, but it struggled with sustainability. GPT Wars could avoid this by leveraging its AI agents and deflationary token model, though it remains to be seen if these features resonate with gamers over the long haul. Of course, timing is everything in crypto, and GPT Wars has timed its launch with the increasing interest in blockchain gaming and AI. The NFT reward system tied to GPT Wars creates an additional layer of demand. By holding or buying tokens, players earn AI agent NFTs, which enhances gameplay. Despite its strong fundamentals, there are risks. Competition in the GameFi space is intense, and projects need to deliver consistent updates to retain users. Additionally, early investor sell-offs and broader market conditions could impact Gptw's price. It's also worth considering whether the gameplay will keep users engaged. After all, even the best tokenomics can't sustain a project if the product doesn't deliver. I would say the best way to keep track of all of this is just to follow them on X in order to make sure that you stay up to date with the information and to see the engagement that they have on their platform. The roadmap for GPT Wars include advanced AI integrations, dynamic map customization, and AI-powered tournaments. These milestones, if executed successfully, could significantly increase player engagement and token demand. Partnerships with platforms like Epic Games Store further expands its reach, making Gptw more accessible to mainstream gamers and so increasing the price of the token. So where does GPT Wars stand? The project has strong fundamentals, innovative gameplay, and credible backing, but like any new token, it carries risks. If the team delivers on its promises and maintains player engagement, I believe this project can do a 100x. But I also think we need to take the rest of the crypto market into account here, looking at what Bitcoin does and other projects. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you want to see how I'm personally going to trade this project, check out my trading community. Hope you all make massive gains. Until next time, peace.